Thank you, Greg, and we're certainly happy to be here today. ebankIT is an 11-year-old digital banking company with a culture of continuous innovation. And so we're going to be keeping with the theme of what's possible, and we'll be demonstrating one of our latest innovations around Agentic AI. You know, effective digital strategy really starts with creating engagement, which leads to building loyalty, which ultimately leads to business opportunities. And so humanizing the digital channel is our focus, and extending that through an Agentic AI experience is where we believe the next wave of innovation is going. And so our digital banking platform APIs integrate into Azure OpenAI and Speech to really deliver a highly personal, highly customized, customer-controlled digital experience. So for our demonstration today, Larissa is going to take on the role of a bank customer, both a consumer and a business customer. And we're going to walk you through just a few examples of some financial transactions that, or financial types of transactions that a consumer might initiate. So Larissa, let's start with, let's say you owe me $50. How could an AI agent help support a transaction like that?
Sure, Paul. So you can see that ebankIT AI has already welcome here in the bottom of the page. Let me just click here and start that prompt. Actually, let me try one thing. Hey, ebankIT AI, transfere $50 para a conta do Paul Provenzano. Let's see.
A transferência de $50 para a conta do Paul Provenzano está preparada.
So, Larissa, I see you did that in Portuguese, which you transitioned to, is a really good example of how a financial institution can offer multilingual services very, very simply and easily, which certainly is a loyalty creator for their customers.
Sure. I just want to make sure that everyone can see how responsive ebankIT AI is to multiple languages, but I can just switch back to an English and go ahead and complete this transaction.
It'll probably go a lot better for the rest of the group.
Yeah, for sure. So ebankIT AI is fully integrated with our APIs, and I can pretty much complete that transaction. There's a verification process here. In this case, an OTP, and voila, the transaction is completed.
Yeah, I mean, simplicity, convenience, and customer control certainly is a strong engagement tool. So let's stay on the payments theme. Bill pay is a top-of-mind issue. What would be an example of how an AI agent could help support bill pay?
Sure, let me type show my bill payments for this month and see what it can do. Voila.
And so, yeah, I mean, it's a really good example of not only identifying the outstanding bills, but then offering the consumer the ability to take action on those bills. Let's keep going.
Sure. Let's say, yes, help me following the suggestion of the AI. And nice. So it generated a link. So by clicking this schedule link here, it takes me right to the area in the ebankIT Internet Banking where that transaction can be completed. So I'm not wasting any more time than needed to going through this site.
Yeah, I mean, helping a customer avoid late fees, managing cash flow, expenses, managing their bills is a great loyalty builder. So on the kind of the topic of cash flow, spend management, cutting spending, how would an AI agent help support saving money, as an example?
Sure. Let's ask it any ideas to save money. For sure, it's a top-of-mind issue for every bank consumer. There you go. So ebankIT AI not only identified multiple music subscriptions, but also a potential savings of canceling one of these.
Yeah, I mean, not only so using transaction data to provide spending insights, but then the ability to provide some predictive savings really helps the consumer make some financial decisions. So really a nice, loyalty builder and a simple use case.
Exactly.
One of the things that was mentioned on the last panel yesterday was AI use cases around fraud management. So how could an AI agent help support fraud management for a consumer?
Sure, let's try a lost credit card. It's a pretty common use case, lost credit card. Let's ask to check the recent transactions. Check recent transactions. Cool. So ebankIT instantly identify 2 unusual transactions. So these crypto, fast pay, and quick pay digital services are not recognized. So that allows me to take action right away. So just go ahead and lock the card.
Yeah, I mean, to have an agent available after hours, on the weekend, that not only investigates and finds the transactions, but allows the consumer to take action immediately, certainly brings peace of mind, and as a, supercharges a financial institution's support network. Let's shift gears a little bit and quickly transition to a business or a commercial account. And so, how could an AI agent help support that seamlessly and support some initiatives around that?
Sure. So just ask it to switch my commercial profile.
I mean, this is a really great experience from, most business owners have to log out, log back in to different systems. What a great use case for somebody to quickly transition from a personal to a business account. I mean, that could become a really nice, strong customer acquisition strategy to gain a full small business owner's financial relationship. So let's show a quick example of, how a small business owner might be able to track expenses.
Sure. Graph my business expenses from last month. Let's see what I can do here. Nice. So we created a pie chart with different categories, and we can go even further and dig into changes over a period. So let me try which has increased from previous months. Which has increased. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, what business owner wouldn't want immediate visibility into their expenses, their trending, their tracking, with the simplicity of a single prompt? So what we showed you today is really what the tip of the iceberg for what's possible in creating a highly engaged user experience using Agentic AI. Please stop by our booth. We'd love to talk more about how we can extend that to you and your customers. And don't forget to vote for ebankIT as Best in Show. Thank you.
Thank you.